Hello, friends. Did you know that one simple, natural ingredient could change your life in just 7 days? If you're over 50, your body may be craving this ancient remedy to help you feel younger, more energized, and healthier than ever. Imagine waking up with smoother skin, stronger hair, and less pain in your joints, all thanks to one simple solution. What is it? Castor oil. Stay with us as we reveal how this affordable and easy-to-use oil can bring amazing benefits to your body in just 7 days. You don't want to miss out. Let's dive right into it. This natural oil is packed with nutrients like vitamin E, proteins, and omega-6 fatty acids that can work wonders for your body. 7-day transformation plan. Here's the exciting part. What happens when you use castor oil for just 7 days? Let's break it down. Day 1 to 2. Skin rejuvenation. You'll notice that your skin feels softer and more hydrated. Castor oil is a fantastic moisturizer that can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a small amount to your face before bed and wake up to glowing, smoother skin. Day 3 to 4. Joint relief. Are your knees or hands feeling stiff? Massage a few drops of castor oil onto your sore joints before bed. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties will help reduce pain and make your movements feel easier. You'll be amazed at how much lighter you feel. Day 5 to 6, hair revival. Thinning hair can be frustrating, but castor oil can help with that too. Apply it to your scalp and massage gently. The nutrients in castor oil stimulate hair growth and strengthen your hair. In just a few days, your hair will feel thicker, shinier, and healthier. Day 7, full body renewal. By the end of the week, you'll notice improvements in your skin, hair, and joints. But there's more. Castor oil also promotes better digestion and can help with detoxifying your body. By applying it to your abdomen, it can support bowel movements and cleanse your system, leaving you feeling lighter and healthier. Please note, if you want to learn more about liver detox foods, you can watch the video on our channel. 20 hidden foods to erase toxins. Fast liver detox foods. How to use castor oil safely. Now, I know you're eager to try castor oil, but let's go over some safety tips first. Always use a small amount to start with, especially if you have sensitive skin. Do a patch test by applying a little bit to your arm and wait 24 hours to see if there's any reaction. For best results, make sure to use cold-pressed organic castor oil as it contains the highest quality nutrients. When applying it to your skin or hair, only a few drops are needed. Massage it gently into the area and let it absorb overnight. And don't forget, consistency is key. Stick to this routine for 7 days, and you'll start to notice a real difference. Now that you know the incredible benefits of castor oil, it's your turn to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.